Okay, so we're going to change the air filter on the air handlers up here in the attic. We have two air handlers in the attic. Right here. Here, can you see where it says air filter? Yep, just bring the phone. Air filter right there. And it's got a compartment here. You open up this. You just set this to the side because we're going to need it in a moment. Oh, power off the air handlers. The air conditioner. Here's the size of it, 20 by 20 by 1. And right here, so we're going to pull it out.
That's gross.
Well, yeah, it's the air. I'll show you. Yep. These usually slide right out.
There must be a lot of gunk in there.
Well, yeah.
How long do air filters usually last?
3 months. You replace them after 3 months.
Ooh, it's really in there.
Yeah. It got warped.
By water?
No, air. Hang on. Alright, got it. Completely. See, air comes through here. And it passes through. And that's all the dust that collects in the house. So see, this is 20 by 20 by 1.
Mm-hmm.
The direction of flow is right here. It's going up.
As you can see.
Yep, as you can see. And that's how it bends. So we then grab
The new air filter.
the new air filter.
How many does it acquire?
This one, yeah, just one.
And this one?
and also one. And see, look.
So what is it? Never
This is the outside. What flows through. But when we look at the opposite side, that's where it catches the dust. See, look at that.
Huge difference.
Yes, huge difference. So this one's going to go in the garbage.
How do you dispose of them?
Just throw them in the regular garbage. All right. Flow arrow going up like that. It's 20 by 20 by 1, so it's a square. And then it's got little tracks. Make sure it sits on the tracks. And feeds in. Get it too clear there. It sits inside. And it goes in, the tab slides in, it slides into place. All right, I'm gonna throw this one away. And now you get to change the one for the upstairs. All right. Careful. Yep, that. Just set it to the side. Note which way is the arrow pointing. Yep, grab it and just pull it out. See? Okay, notice, yep. And this one's not as dirty.
Because we don't use the upstairs as much.
And also remember the orientation. See how the rectangle came out like this? That's the same orientation. All right, we're gonna set that to the side. Just put on top of the old one, the other old one.
And
then here, this one. I already opened the bag. Nope, that's the 20 by 20 by 1.
Oh.
This is a 16 by 20 by 1. Different sizes.
So, then like this.
Nope, not gonna fit. All right, and look at the arrow. Okay, look inside, make sure it's on the track. Look at the track, it's got a little, hang on, back up 1 second, I'm just gonna put it on camera. See right there, it's got a track that it needs to sit on.
Okay.
All right, and it goes in.
There we go.
Yep, good. Push it in, check the flow arrow. Well, it's right. And then put in that, and that's it. All right, high five. Again, try it again. Good job.